say to someone who feels like they've lost it all, over the edge with no one there to break their fall? And what do you say to someone who feels so unloved, giving themselves away a little bit every day just to be good enough? And what do you say to a hopeless soul who can't remember their way home, and everything is out of their control? There is no valley, there is no darkness, there is no sorrow greater than the grace of Jesus. There is no moment, there is no distance, there is no heartbreak He can't take it through. So before you think that you're too lost to say, remember there is nothing greater than grace. What do you say to someone whose life is on the line, and they're unsure what happens after their last breath in time? What